Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix you can't reply to this conversation. First of all, check if the person has blocked you. Open the messenger, search for the certain person and see if the person has blocked you or not. Next, you're going to check if the account is activated. If it says that this account is not available, then that means they have either blocked you or they have deactivated your account. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for messenger, and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. If that does not work, open Facebook and try messaging from Facebook instead. And safety tip: do not try external unblocker tools, they are scams. Quick fix: remove and re-add the person as a friend, and that's it.